Get ready to embark on a journey to paradise as we explore the luxurious SLS Playa Mujeres, a brand new all-inclusive resort that's set to redefine luxury in the Mexican Caribbean. Opening its doors on November 1st, 2024, this stunning property is nestled in the pristine Playa Mujeres region of the Yucatán Peninsula, offering a perfect blend of sophistication, indulgence, and tropical bliss. Let's start our virtual tour with the accommodations that await you at SLS Playa Mujeres. With 498 rooms and suites spread across 16 categories, there's something to suit every taste and preference. The entry-level delight guest rooms are anything but basic, boasting a spacious 538 square feet of living space. But if you're looking to kick things up a notch, the Captivate Swim-Out rooms are where the magic happens. Imagine stepping out of your room onto a private garden with your very own river pool. It's like having your personal oasis right at your doorstep. Talk about making a splash. For those who want to take luxury to new heights, the Euphoria category rooms and suites offer an elevated experience. And if you're feeling particularly fancy, the 1- and 2-bedroom suites provide ample space to spread out and relax. But hold on to your sun hats, folks, because we haven't even gotten to the creme de la creme yet. The Envy Suite is a 3-bedroom masterpiece spanning an impressive 6,027 square feet. It's so big you might need a map to find your way around. Now, if you really want to feel like royalty, the SLS Elite category is where it's at. These exclusive rooms and suites come with VIP access and bespoke amenities that'll make you feel like you're the only guest in the resort. We're talking private lounges, a secluded beach area, and even your personal butler. Yes, you heard that right, a butler. You'll be living out your Downton Abbey fantasies in no time. But wait, there's more. All rooms at SLS Playa Mujeres feature private balconies, terraces, or gardens. And if you're lucky enough to snag one of the SLS Elite rooms, you'll be treated to a private roof deck jacuzzi with panoramic views that'll take your breath away. Imagine sipping champagne while soaking in your rooftop hot tub, watching the sun set over the Caribbean. Now that's what we call living the high life. When it comes to dining, SLS Playa Mujeres doesn't mess around. With 18 distinctive restaurant and bar concepts, your taste buds are in for a treat. From Mediterranean delights at Filia to Greek-inspired cuisine at Clio, and the exclusive offerings at Privilege, there's a flavor for every palate. And let's not forget about the hidden cocktail bars scattered throughout the resort, perfect for those who love a bit of mystery with their martini. Picture yourself starting your day with a leisurely breakfast at a beachfront cafe, the sound of waves gently lapping at the shore. For lunch, you might find yourself at a poolside grill, indulging in fresh seafood and tropical cocktails. As the sun sets, dress up for an evening of fine dining at one of the resort's upscale restaurants, where world-class chefs create culinary masterpieces that are as much a feast for the eyes as they are for the stomach. And for those nights when you're feeling adventurous, why not try the resort's unique dining experiences? From themed dinners that transport you to different corners of the globe to interactive cooking classes where you can learn to whip up local specialties, there's always something new to discover. Just remember to pack your stretchy pants. With so many delicious options, you'll want to try them all. Now, let's dive into the pools and beaches at SLS Playa Mujeres. With 3 outdoor pools, including swim-up bars, you'll have plenty of options for cooling off under the Mexican sun. Imagine floating in crystal-clear waters, cocktail in hand, without a care in the world. It's like being in a postcard, only better because you're actually there. But the real star of the show is the private sandy beach. Stretching along the pristine coastline, it's a slice of paradise where you can wiggle your toes in the soft sand, take a dip in the turquoise waters, or simply lounge under a palm tree with a good book. And if you're feeling adventurous, the resort's marina offers yacht excursions for those who want to explore the Caribbean in style. For the water enthusiasts, there's no shortage of activities to keep you entertained. From snorkeling in the clear waters to trying your hand at paddleboarding or kayaking, there's something for everyone. And if you prefer to stay on dry land, you can join a beach volleyball game or take a leisurely stroll along the shoreline. Just don't forget your sunscreen. That Mexican sun can be sneaky. When it comes to activities, SLS Playa Mujeres has got you covered. The state-of-the-art fitness center is perfect for those who want to keep up with their workout routine while on vacation. And for those who prefer their exercise with a side of fun, there are plenty of options. How about a game of tennis under the warm Caribbean sun? Or maybe a yoga class on the beach as the sun rises? But the real gem of the resort is the Seal Spa. Spanning over 20,000 square feet, it's a sanctuary of relaxation and rejuvenation. With 20 treatment rooms, thermal baths, an outdoor pool, salon, sauna, steam room, and relaxation areas, you might find yourself never wanting to leave. Indulge in a massage that will knead away all your stress, or try a facial that will leave your skin glowing brighter than the Mexican sun. And let's not forget about the unique experiences offered at the resort. From mixology classes, where you can learn to craft the perfect margarita, to cultural workshops that introduce you to the rich heritage of the Yucatán Peninsula, there's always something new to discover. Who knows, you might even pick up a new skill or two to show off back home. For families traveling with little ones, SLS Playa Mujeres has thought of everything. The dedicated kid zones are a playground paradise, with age-specific programs for toddlers, tweens, and teens. While the little ones are building sandcastles or making new friends, parents can enjoy some well-deserved relaxation time. The resort's family-friendly amenities go beyond just a kids' club. How about a family movie night in the state-of-the-art cinema? Or for the more adventurous families, there are water sports and land activities that everyone can enjoy together. And when it's time for a bit of adult time, the resort's babysitting services ensure that your little ones are in safe hands while you enjoy a romantic dinner or a night out. Speaking of nights out, the entertainment options at SLS Playa Mujeres are top-notch. From cabaret performances that will dazzle and delight to dancing under the stars, there's always something happening after the sun goes down. And for those who prefer a quieter evening, why not stargaze from your private balcony or take a moonlit walk on the beach? When it comes to nearby attractions, SLS Playa Mujeres is perfectly positioned for exploration. Just a short boat ride away is the enchanting Isla Mujeres, a small island known for its stunning beaches, snorkeling spots, and laid-back vibe. It's the perfect day trip for those who want to experience a different side of the Mexican Caribbean. For those interested in Mayan history, the ancient ruins of Chichen Itza and Tulum are within reach. These archaeological sites offer a fascinating glimpse into the region's rich past and make for an unforgettable excursion. And let's not forget about the vibrant city of Cancun, with its famous hotel zone, shopping centers, and nightlife, all just a short drive away. Nature lovers will be thrilled to know that several ecological parks are in the vicinity. From swimming with dolphins to exploring underground rivers and cenotes, there's no shortage of natural wonders to discover. And for golf enthusiasts, world-class courses are just a stone's throw away, offering challenging play with stunning ocean views. Now let's talk about what really sets SLS Playa Mujeres apart. As the first all-inclusive SLS resort in the Americas, it brings a fresh perspective to luxury travel in Mexico. The resort's signature blend of lavish design, culinary artistry, and vibrant social programming creates an atmosphere that's both sophisticated and playful. It's like stepping into a luxury, all-inclusive wonderland, where every detail has been carefully curated to delight and surprise. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.